Hello YouTube, Brandy and Terry here.
Welcome back to Good Vibes Van Channel. Today we're going to be going over heat sources and different types of heat sources and what we use in particular is a diesel heater. So let's dive into it.
Hey YouTube, Brandy here. I just wanted to take a couple seconds to talk to you about our auto diesel heater that we've installed. Over here is the auto diesel LCD controller panel. Now on the panel it has a few different buttons. Obviously in the middle here, when you push that, that is going to turn it on. By clicking the up button, it'll give you a readout. Temperature goes up that way. Very simple. Click it to take it back down. Over here where the OK is located, when you click it on, it'll give you the current temperature. Click it again, you get what your temperature is set at. That actually shows you how many voltages it's using. Click it again, you get your error code, and then back to the clock. Now ladies, a useful beauty tip and also a perk of the auto diesel heater is it can be multifunctional. This thing right here is what I use to blow dry my hair. I usually will prop it up here, make sure there's a towel because that tube does get a little bit warm. Lean over, I'm able to blow dry my hair. It's very quick, it's very fast, it's very simple. Vanlife, you don't always have the use or perks of things that you normally do in a house, but that's okay. There is multi-uses and functions for many of the items that you'll install in your fan. One of the things that I enjoy, the blow dryer part of it.
Alright folks, now let's talk about the different styles of heaters. You have Mr. Buddy, you have the Olympia Wave, you have different types, you know, of propane. You have your Wabasto, which is your gas heater that can run off of gasoline off of your tank. You also have these cheap Chinese version of diesel heaters. We actually have a Chinese version by LiQWYD. It's an 8 kilowatt diesel heater. It is amazing, let me tell you. It changed our life forever. We spent 2 years with the Mr. Buddy. And let me tell you, the moisture was out just horrendous. So you have to worry about that. Constant ice on the windshield, you know, you name it. However, it was safe. It did do the job. But after so long, they start having problems. The igniters go out, the oxygen sensors go bad on them, and they'll have trouble staying on. Still a viable, cheap option. However, at the current prices of Mr. Buddy heaters during the pandemic, it's really not that efficient. Not with $8.99 for 2 bottles, 1 pound bottles of propane. Your initial cost of the propane heater itself is anywhere from $89 to $99 and on up for a Mr. Buddy portable heater, the ones that use the single 1 pound bottles. So I got some notes here I just wanted to kind of go over with you and kind of touch base. In comparison, you know, the pros and the cons. Some things like, let's go with the initial cost of a propane heater is average of about $124, and that's with like a 3-year warranty. That's including the 2 bottles of propane. That's going to get you through about 8 hours. However, the diesel heater, initial startup cost is $149 on Amazon from LiQWYD. Got here in about 3 days. Took me about an hour to install. The hardest part about the install, let me tell you, is location. Believe me, it's quite a pain. But once you narrow down the location, the exhaust, and you get your measurements out, drill you 2 holes in the bottom of your floor. You put everything together, mock it up, set it through your whole floor, then adjust your intake and your exhaust, which I'll be showing little clips of that in here so that you can understand, and I'll be doing a more in-depth install of it so that it's a little bit easier to understand, because let me tell you that something that you can sleep with. It's safe versus having an open flame in your vehicle. And we have a dog, Dexter. Dexter, buddy, what are you doing? See this little slinky guy right here? We want to keep him safe, and we don't want him to ever get burned. So the best way to do is diesel dry air heater. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video today. I hope it was educational. Me and Dexter is gonna go and try to find us a little place to go hiking, take us a nice little walk. Join us next time as we try to install a battery isolator, guys. Stay classy, be cool, be yourself, and be unique. Bye, guys. Have a great day.